Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and reviews. Today, I'm going to show you how to buy a domain and hosting from DreamHost, step by step, from start to finish. I'll also be sharing a DreamHost web hosting discount that can save you 67% off their monthly pricing, depending on the plan you choose. Plus you'll get a free domain name on annual plans. And the best part? DreamHost offers an impressive 100% uptime guarantee and a 97-day money-back guarantee. So, you can try their service completely risk-free. Let's get started with the DreamHost web hosting tutorial. The first thing you want to do is click the link in the description below. This link will take you to DreamHost, and you'll be able to take advantage of getting 67% off the monthly pricing, plus a free domain name. Once you click the link, you'll be taken to the DreamHost web hosting plans page. Scroll down or click the See All Plans button to view the web hosting plans and pricing section. You'll see two different plans, the Shared Starter and the Shared Unlimited plan. You can choose to pay monthly, annually, or for 3 years. Keep in mind that with the monthly plan, you'll only get the introductory discounted price for the first month. After that, it renews at the regular rate. For annual or 3-year terms, you'll save the most and get a free domain name. Now let's go over the differences between the two plans. The Shared Starter plan is perfect if you only need one website. It doesn't include an email address, but you can add one for a small fee. If you need more than one website, the Shared Unlimited plan is ideal, offering unlimited websites and email addresses. With either plan, you get DreamHost's incredible 100% uptime guarantee. That means your website will always be up and running, ensuring your visitors have a seamless experience. And if you're not satisfied, you have a full 97 days to get your money back. That's one of the longest money-back guarantees in the industry. Once you decide on a plan and term, click the Sign Up Now button. For this tutorial, I'll choose the Shared Unlimited plan. Next, you'll be taken to the domain selection page. If you chose an annual plan, you get a free domain. You can choose to register a new domain, enter a domain you already own, or choose a domain later. If you opt to choose later, DreamHost will provide a temporary domain. Now you'll see a summary of your order. DreamHost includes free domain privacy to protect your personal information. You can also add optional features like Dream Shield protection, SEO toolkit, and Google Workspace. Choose any add-ons you want, enter your payment information, and click Submit Order to complete your purchase. Finally, set up your DreamHost account by entering your account information. After completing this step, click Submit Order. DreamHost will send you a confirmation email with your receipt and login details. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a domain and hosting from DreamHost. You can now log into your DreamHost dashboard and start building your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Your feedback helps us improve our content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.